morning begins softly. Not with noise, but with light. And right here, in this quiet little corner, sits Milo, a white Turkish Angora with eyes that seem to understand more than they say. The world around him wakes up, birds chirping, distant sounds, life moving. But Milo experiences it differently. He doesn't hear the morning. No chirping birds, no footsteps, no calling his name. And yet, he's completely at peace, because Milo doesn't need sound to feel the world. He watches it, carefully, curiously, like a silent observer of everything. The way sunlight touches the floor, the way curtains move with the breeze, the tiny movements we don't even notice. That's his language. Meanwhile, I'm here, trying to talk to him like he's going to answer back. Full conversations, zero replies. At this point, I think I'm the entertainment, not him. But still, he looks at me, not confused, not distant. Just calm, like he understands in his own way. And maybe he does, because love isn't always heard. Sometimes, it's just felt. Milo lives in a world without noise, but somehow, it feels quieter, calmer, better than ours. No chaos, no distractions, just peace and presence. And honestly, watching him like this, you start to wonder, maybe silence isn't something missing. Maybe it's something we've forgotten.